Okay, this is the video for Honda Accord 2008 to 2013. How to remove the dashboard to change the 10.1 inch. So first you have to move the gear, okay, to D. Then you have to take out the frame. Okay, then you have to remove the frame here. Third, okay, so you have to remove the screw. Okay, second, you got the two screw here. Okay, after remove, then you just pull out the player. So and unplug the socket. So this is a socket. And remove the screw for the screen. Okay, another screw. Okay, and pull out the main screen. Okay. So you have to remove the socket as well. Okay, this is remove the main dashboard. So after that you have to connect for the OEM socket. So it's plug and play for the power socket. Yeah, connection. Okay, and one more, the long one. So you have to, another head is move to this is the main power socket for Cogoo 10.1 inch. Connect for the player. Okay, this is reverse camera. So this is the original socket. Original power socket. So this will connect back to the original radio player. Okay, then this one extend. So this socket ready for the Cogoo 10.1. Okay, the green one, a green socket. So they got a black color. So we connect for the AUX. You have to. Okay, you have to put out the AUX wiring. So together with the power socket for Cogoo 10.1, it will connect for the AUX video input. Okay, and a GPS antenna. So the GPS antenna receiver we'll put in there. Okay, for the USB cable. Okay, so connect with the GPS antenna. Okay. and connect with the double signals. Okay, for the original the screen for the aircon, you have to move from top to the bottom area. So connect for the aircon socket, plug and play. Okay, so for your original car, if your car player doesn't have the player like this, so this is ready player to fix here. Okay, if you don't have this one, so you have to the screen, small screen for the aircon, you have to fix it for the casing, fix in here, join together, then connect, fixed here, fixed in this area, okay, to view for the aircon.